How do I care for my tools and how long do they last? To keep the carbide cutting teeth sharp, try not to bang them into each other and store them in a way that they do not touch. As you can see, I've used a scrap piece of walnut here and just drilled holes to store these bits in. You could also do the same with the larger size shanks like this. I haven't made a storage system for my discs yet. One thing I thought about doing is simply putting a nail on the wall and hanging them like that. You can clean them with a brass brush. I don't have a brass brush, but I'll just use this nylon one and demonstrate how you can do it. You just hold it one hand and brush. As simple as that. You could also soak them in a cleaning product like this Simple Green, for example. This is just what I had lying around. Keep in mind that cleaning them with a brass brush may remove the paint, but that should not affect the performance of the tool. Saburrtooth tools are designed to resist loading, but they may clog if they're used on really green wood. Ask me how I know. Speaking of clogging, Saburrtooth tools can be used to carve anything but metal and ceramics. Ceramics will clog the tools and metal will simply dull or damage them. If properly used and cared for, Saburrtooth tools can last a lifetime. In fact, we've heard from some customers that have been using their tools for over 10 years. Remember to always use proper safety precautions. Now go make some dust.